Hello guys, in this video we will see how to download and install Ubuntu 22.04 Server Edition on VMware Workstation. So first go to ubuntu.com, it is the official website for the Ubuntu. Then see here we have the Get Ubuntu, then click on Server. Then select the Get Ubuntu Server. See here we have the 24.04 and 24.10. But if you want older versions, see here we have the 22.05 LTS or 20.04. So we are going to download and install 22.04.5 on VMware Workstation. So click on download. Wait a moment, it is going to download. See, download started. Go to downloads. See here its size is 2 GB. I am cancelling this one because I have already downloaded Ubuntu Server 22.04. So cancel it. Now open VMware Workstation. If you want to install VMware Workstation on your machine, then there is a link in the video description to install VMware Workstation Pro for free on Windows or Linux operating systems. Or you can search for the same in my YouTube channel. Okay. So open VMware. See here I have the VMware Workstation Pro. Click on it. See, these are the list of the virtual machines that are present in my VMware Workstation. Now create a new virtual machine or file and select new virtual machine. Both are same. To create the new virtual machine for the Ubuntu Server 22.04. Click on it. Then click on next. Then select installer disk image file, that is ISO. Then click on browse and select the downloaded file. See here I have the VMware Workstation Pro Ubuntu Server 22.04 live server ISO file. Click on it, open it. Then click on next. Here we have to provide the name. I am giving UBS. UBS means Ubuntu Server 22.04 VM. Then select the path to store this virtual machine files and folders, where you have the enough space. Then click on OK. See, this is the location and this is the name for the virtual machine. Then click on next. Then here we have to provide virtual hard disk size. I am giving 100 GB. Then click on next. See, by default memory has selected 2 GB and number of CPU cores 2. If you want to customize this hardware information, you have to click on customize hardware. Later also we can do that. And unselect this power on this virtual machine after creation. Why? Because if you want to modify any one of them, after clicking on this finish, we can edit. Otherwise it automatically starts the installation. So click on finish. Still, if you want to modify settings, click on edit virtual machine settings, or right click on this virtual machine name and click on settings, or go to VM and select settings. All three options are same. Okay, if you are okay with all the settings, then click on power on this virtual machine to start the Ubuntu Server 22.04 LTS on VMware Workstation. Click on finish installing. Now use up and down arrows and select the first option, that is try or install Ubuntu Server. Hit enter. Now by default it has selected language as English. Use up and down arrows to select the language. Then hit enter. Now it is asking us to update the installer. So I don't want, so use up and down arrows and select the continue without updating and hit enter. See, this is the language selection. I'm okay with those. So select done and hit enter. See here, choose the type of installation. Use up and down arrows. See, by default it has selected Ubuntu Server, but if you want Ubuntu Server minimized version, you have to select this by giving this spacebar. See, once we selected, the above one is unselected. Okay, so we can select either of them. So I am going with Ubuntu Server. Then search for third party drivers. I don't want. Then give the tab to come to done and hit enter. Network configuration, I am going with the default. So select done and hit enter. I am not going to provide any proxy address. So hit enter. Ubuntu archive mirror configuration, select done and hit enter. Now we have to configure the storage. I am going with use an entire disk. So select it and done. See, this is the storage configuration. If you want to modify, you have to click on reset, or if you want to go back, click on select the select the back and hit enter. So I am okay with these settings, then click on, then select done and hit enter. Now it is confirmation, select continue and hit enter. Now we have to set the user. So I am giving user full name as R2 Schools and this will be the server name. I am giving UBS 22.04 VM. This is the server name or host name. Later also we can change the server name or host name after installation. Now pick the username. This is the actual username and provide the password for this account and confirm the same. Then click on done. I don't want to enable Ubuntu Pro. So select skip for now and select continue and hit enter. If you want to install OpenSH, just give the space bar and come down, done and hit enter. If you want to install these featured snaps, you can select by using space bar. I don't want any one of them, then select done and hit enter. See, installing the Ubuntu Server 22.04. This may take time. See, installation is complete. Give the tab, again tab to come to reboot now and hit enter. See, failed to unmounting CD-ROM. So, right click on this virtual machine, then go to settings, then go to CD DVD, then unselect this connect at power on, also unselect connected if it is selected. Then click on OK, then go click on this virtual machine and hit enter. To release cursor, we have to use the Alt Control. Now we have to provide the login name. Login name is R2 Schools that I have given. Then provide the password of this user. See here the information about the Ubuntu Linux server. See, we have installed Ubuntu Server 22.04 and this is the IP address. Okay, let us verify the same. Control N more /etc os-release. Hit enter. See, we have installed Ubuntu Server. Its code name is Gemmy. Now, if you want to verify IP again, ifconfig. See, it is not there, so install it. Sudo apt install net tools. Hit enter. You can also get the IP address by typing IP control IP ADDR. See, this is the IP. See here 192.168.106.161. Now we can run the same ifconfig. See, you got the same IP address. Okay. So the first step after connecting to Ubuntu 22.04 server is we have to update the packages. Sudo apt update && sudo apt upgrade. Hit enter. Type and hit enter. See, updation is complete. Okay. So in this video we have seen how to download and install Ubuntu Server 22.04 on VMware Workstation. For more Linux tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.